Okay, I've been working on the Zenith design, Zenith and Holley carburetors, and these jets were just difficult to come out. I ended up having to drill this one out, and then I used a tap to clean up the threads. And problem with that one was you drill the top of it off, and then you have this underneath it that was down in the well. And to get that out, I had to actually bang it up with a punch, and I'll write it with my punch, but through the bowl here, and that access to get it to, we finally got it to, bang in, and it fell out, but it's like the bottom of the jet, and I retapped it, tapped the jet in the bottom here in the throat. The other main jet here, I had cleaned the threads up and retapped the smaller threads there. So I think I got this Zenith 1 bowl set. I was working on the tops too, and one of them, can't remember which now. The idle mixture, it was this one here. The idle mixture screw broke off, so then I had to drill it out and clean it up, and I got it cleaned up to where it comes into the throat here. There's a little hole right there that when you're adjusting your idle mixture, that allows the fuel to come through there, and then it also comes through here, and then which one was this? This is the 3/8. This is the 3/8. 3/8 where the bolt holds it all together here in the center. Clean the threads up on it. These were 5/16 up here. Just clean those up. They were working all right on both tops. This is the Holley. You can see right there the raised H on the Holley, which makes this one an early one, which is why I was trying to really get it to work, because the threads were like really banged up on it. Got the idle circuit here, idle mixture, it comes through to the throat. So that one's pretty cleaned up. I still got to do some finish work on it. But what I was working on I guess this is the Holley bottom, and I was trying to use the easy out on it. And I tried to use the easy out on the other one, but I ended up just drilling it because it would not move. And I think the easy out's actually going to work on this one. And yeah, finally, after fighting all of these, but you can see how this has this long shank. So if you drill off the top here where the threads are, that shank is still down in the well, and you can't get it out. It's very difficult to get it out. But you can see where I caught it with the easy out. I drilled it out first, and then I caught it with the easy out, and I was able to get that out. So now I'm just gonna clean up the threads on that, which just clean the threads up. Yeah, that other one I've been fighting with it for a couple hours. Just go ahead and run it all the way in. That's gonna bottom out here in the bottom of the well. They call this the well, fuel well. It comes from the bowl into here. The thread's nice and clean on it. I put some pieces of wood in just to keep it from banging up. Since this is that early holly, I kind of wanted to protect it if I was going to be able to use it or not. Still don't know if I'm going to be able to use it because it's just, it was in such poor shape. But looks good. You know, and this, the jet inside the bowl here, let's see, I don't know if you can see down in there, but that jet right there, yeah, I squirted a WD-40 through to make sure, and then the to come through from the gas adjustment valve over here, fuel adjustment, into the bowl. So making progress. Still need to do some cleanup, but fighting those for a while, and now I gotta just clean up the passages one more time and double check everything has been retapped, and start rebuilding the carburetors and put them back together.